How to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. First, open the WhatsApp application on your current phone. Next, tap on the settings icon, which you will find in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select Chats option from the menu that appears. Then tap on Transfer Chats to iPhone to begin the process. After that, tap on the Start button to prepare your chat data for transfer. Finally, a QR code will appear on your new phone. Use your current phone to scan the QR code, and the transfer will start automatically. Make sure both phones are connected to Wi-Fi and have enough battery to complete the transfer smoothly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.